All right, folks, we are back. So this time, we're back with a unboxing. We have here something we both have wanted for a really long time.
So it's my favorite color, and it's got that retro look. Super cute.
What is it?
What
What are we unboxing?
Well, you're about to see.
I'm about to see? Okay. Hang on, guys. I know. I'm impatient just as you are.
Uh-oh. I need his help.
All right, there we go. Check that thing out.
So cute.
Check that thing out. Yeah. Cool, open it up. Nice.
Perfect.
Sweet. So there you have it. We just unboxed our brand new